guys, Monroe Steele here from Fashion Steele NYC, and today I'm doing my first ever unboxing video. At least I think it's my first unboxing video. I'm not sure, I can't remember. But today I am showing you all things Chanel, the holy Mecca, the holy grail of designers or brands, or however you want to look at it. So the first ever thing that I bought that was Chanel was these like pearl earrings that I got in Paris. I got them 2 years ago. I went for Paris Fashion Week and I found them at this designer store. It's the only designer consignment store in Paris, and it's called Reciproque. If you're interested in it, check out the details below. I did a whole post about thrift shopping and consignment shopping in Paris. I also did a little thing where it's called 6 Days in Paris, and I basically go through and tell you every single thing I spent money on in Paris, how much money I spent every day, from my hotel to the food to these earrings. So I'll put that post below too, so you can check out like how I spent my money while I was in Paris, the holy Mecca of shopping next to New York City. Actually, I think shopping in New York City is better than shopping in Paris. Some places, anywho. So this was the first ever thing I bought from Chanel. They were actually $100, not too bad. They're vintage pearl earrings. I hardly ever wear them, but I broke them out for y'all because it's Chanel Day. And we're gonna start with this. I actually did not buy this for myself, but a very good friend of mine who's sitting right over here, her name is Rose, and she's my friend and my photographer, and she's amazing. She bought this for me. I have been wanting this for so long. I have been actually looking at Chanel stores for this and couldn't find it because they only sell it online, but now I know. So let's get into this box. How beautiful is it? It's so chic. What I like to actually do is put it inside of these clear bags that I have. I have 2 clear bags. Clear bags are so in right now. If you don't have one, buy one. I'll put a couple of links for them below. But I like to put it in my clear bag, and I use it. I put my keys in it, my phone in it, so that when I wear my clear bag, my stuff isn't exposed. But hello, Chanel is. So let's get into this. Should I tell you what's in it before I open it? No, I'll just open it. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so here's this beautiful Chanel box. It's so thick and nice. Comes with this little card. All the best from Chanel. Thank you, Chanel. Actually, thank you, Rose. This is like the little receipt holder that comes with it, but I'm gonna keep anything that has a Chanel monogram on it because like it's Chanel. And you don't throw Chanel away. So here's the inside of the box. Has a little paper here. This has the 2 C's on it. Can you see it? Okay, so even the wrapping paper has Chanel on it. So I'm keeping this wrapping paper until the end of time. And here's what was in this very beautiful box. This mirror double facette duo Chanel mirror. So I've been wanting a compact mirror from Chanel for a while, and Rose, being the really great friend that she is, got this one for me. So it comes in this really nice velvet pouch. Has the 2 C's on it. It's really luxe. And then you open that, and you have the mirror. It's so nice. It's a really good mirror. Let me open it for you guys. So this compact mirror, it's extra chic. I love it. I think it's great. How cute is it? I'm just putting on my makeup and my Chanel earrings with my Chanel mirror. It's so cute. You should get one. I mean, everybody needs a mirror. And like, why not a Chanel mirror? And it's very, it's wonderfully priced for a Chanel. And it's something you can keep forever and kind of like pass down. This pouch is so lovely. You can store it in there. And also, if you have like a nice bag or wallet, you could just keep it with you. But how great is it? I actually really just love the box too, because who doesn't want a really nice Chanel box? And it's so thick and durable. Like, ugh, it's such a good box. Get yourself a mirror. Rockabye Chanel's on the treetop. They're Chanel. I have been wanting these shoes for so long. They came out in 2016. Every blogger has them. They've been everywhere. I really am so upset that I didn't hop on the bandwagon when everyone else was already on the wagon. Excuse the noises. You might hear some motorcycles going up and down the street. Perks of living in Harlem or living in New York City. Anywho, I have big feet. I'm a size 10 US, and for Italian shoes, it's really hard kind of for me to find my size. But after searching for 2 years, I finally found these Chanel's in my size. I love this box. Like, look how luxe it is. Like, literally, I would just pay for the box. Do you recognize this shoe? Do you recognize this shoe? So these are a 41.5. I'm a size US 10, but that translates to an 11.5 in Italian shoes. So you've seen the picture, you know what's in here. Let me open it up for you. Chanel has such good packaging. Smell that genuine leather. Oh, smell it. Can you smell it, you guys? Can you smell the leather? Okay. So, I got the Pearl Mules. Yes, I got them. I got them in black on black. And I love them. Let me just go ahead and show them to you. This is what it's all about. That double C, that gorgeous pearl, the luxe, the leather, the arch, the toe, the tip, that Chanel. Yes. Your eyes are not deceiving you. These are real. Okay. They came up to 970 bucks. I think like 70 of that was tax. Damn you taxes. But it's okay because I've got my mules and they are beautiful. So they're made in Italy. I got a 41.5. I'm a size 10. They fit perfectly. And of course they come with extra tips for the heels, just in case. Also, in a little Chanel bag. How cute is that? I'm gonna keep this baggie forever. And then it also comes with this. I actually don't even really know what this is because I haven't opened it yet. So let's see. Some extra stuff. Oh, that's in French. So, Chanel shoes are luxury items made according to the finest traditions and semi-handcrafted techniques. Well, thank you for the information. And then it also tells me how to clean them with a sponge moistened with soapy water. How to care for my Chanels. I appreciate that. Thanks, Chanel. Y'all be knowing that I ruin shoes sometimes. But these are from the door, or from from door to door. I'm taking an Uber. I'm walking a maximum of 3 blocks in these because these have to last. And as you can see, I have worn them. See, this is not for show, ladies and gentlemen. They've been worn. So I know I can tell you how amazing they are because I've actually worn them. And what I would like to tell you is they're comfortable. Yes, comfort. You're not gonna get this kind of comfort from Payless. You gotta invest. So each shoe also comes with its own little dust bag. I love that. Individual dust bags with Chanel on them. Which is very good for packing or traveling. You have a bag for each shoe. Alright guys, so the things you need to know. The pearl, the double C. This is genuine leather here. And this is gross grain here. And like, they're just super chic and comfortable. They're actually really comfortable and so soft on the inside. Like, you can tell the craftsmanship on these shoes. They're gonna last. Yeah, they're worth every penny, to be honest. And I'll show you guys how they look on. I love that they're not too high so that I can actually walk in them as well. The height looks to be about 3.5 inches. Don't quote me on that. But they're pretty low for me. I usually wear very high heels, like 4.5, 4 inch, not really 5 inch. Those are a little too high for me. But usually about 3.5 to 4 inches. These look to be about 3. I think it actually depends on the size shoe that you get on the height of the heel. But they are super, super comfortable, and I can definitely feel the craftsmanship. Like the toe box here, it's perfect. And then it's like a little cushion here for the base of your foot as well. And I love these. I love them so much. For watching my first unboxing of Chanel goods. I'm gonna try and find links for you guys. If you have any questions about the Chanel compact mirror or the Chanel Pearl Mules, drop me a question or a comment or anything you want to drop me down below in the comments. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. You're amazing. You made a good choice. Come back and see me have lots of unboxings.